Hello everyone, so today we're in Dollar Tree checking out what's new and what's actually worth it with all of these price increases. This is crazy, $1.25. You're gonna get 2 LED desk lamp, literally $1.25. You can use this for crafting too. Dollar Tree is starting to get in their fall items. It's a little bit different this year because it's now $1.50 across all of pretty much the seasonal items. And they do have new items this year versus last year where it was a repeat of the year before that. There's a lot of pretty signs this time around. These are super cute, pumpkin pie, apple cider. This is probably my favorite newer sign that they got in this year. I really like the beads on the side and the color of it. And then these all have like a little felt situation going on. There's apples, leaves, and then I saw a pie one. There it is, pumpkin actually. That sign's new this year, this one's new. They had this one last year, but they added a turkey to it. Those are a little bit different, and then these are new. So these tabletop decor are super cute. There's like little coffee mugs and then frappuccinos. Is that what they are? I don't really drink coffee, but it's super, super cute. They have these lawn stakes, and let me tell you, these are dangerous. I talk about it every year. One time I cut myself on this corn one and I almost needed stitches. They do have cute ones, just be aware. I really like the sunflower ones they got in this year. They're bringing back in their pumpkins. What's new this year? These cute little baskets with the scarecrows. The scarecrow seat covers, these are so cute. These characters are new, $1.50. There's a fox, a scarecrow, and I think it's a turkey. Yeah, turkey. Dollar Tree right now is starting to release their Halloween decor collection, and there are some great finds this year. Starting off with these dupes to Joanna Parker items. So I love vintage holiday decor. It's some of my favorite decor. I recently bought this ghost in a pumpkin for around $9.99 at Home Goods. Look at the Dollar Tree one. It's very similar to the one I got from Home Goods. Not as big, but gives off the same vibe. These are probably my favorite items in the collection right now. This year they have a bunch of new candles. I really like these LED taper candles. I like the design to them and the colors. And then these pumpkins they had last year, except I think the gold ones might be new. And something that they had last year that they're bringing out again, except they're a little bit larger, are these skeletons in yoga poses. And remember, all this stuff is $1.50. They're bringing out these skulls that they had last year. And then these signs are new, a trick or treat sign, welcome my pretties, and then the enter if you dare signs. Those are all new, $1.50. Then they're getting in some fall items. Lots of these we have seen before, just a few of them were new. All of these pumpkins we have seen before. These little containers, people use them to make candles inside of, but I'm telling you, it doesn't even make sense to make candles anymore. It's cheaper to just buy them already made. Look at this pretty hand soap container, especially the apple, acorn, and a pumpkin. So pretty. I'm excited about this. I don't know if it's supposed to be a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro stuff, but that's what it looks like. It's from Spa Luxury. The Dollar Tree body butter does smell very similar to the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, and the smallest size you can get from the name brand is $24. So if you can find the one at Dollar Tree, give that one a try. They're getting in some new Plus catering supplies. So right now they're $5, but I went to a different Dollar Tree that had tags on them, so maybe they're going to $7. I really like this cutlery holder. Okay, I told you guys in these videos, I go to multiple Dollar Trees. So I'm in a different Dollar Tree. The same like champagne flutes that I just saw for $5, $10 here. So I'm sure they're probably just slow to change the prices at the other stores because they have to do it by hand. These plates, $10. Not worth it. I bought plates like this for my wedding at, I think it was Sam's Club or Costco. I mean, that was like almost 6 years ago, but still, like, this is crazy. It was 6 years ago. Crazy, crazy. So the lunch plates, 16 for $10. Crazy. Dinner plates, $10. Now this is a harder plastic, but not worth it at all. I don't know what's going on with Dollar Tree right now. I mean, this comes out to $1 a piece, but I cannot get behind this. Here's why I think some of the prices at Dollar Tree are just insane. For $14.98 at Sam's Club, you can get 24 dinner plates and 24 lunch plates for $14.98. To get that at Dollar Tree, I would have to spend $30. Now, I do understand that Sam's Club has a membership. So you can go to Walmart, get thicker plastic plates. These ones are clear though. You get 30 dessert plates for $7.62 and then 20 of the dinner plates for $7.62. You know, the pink stuff. Dollar Tree got this dupe in a while ago. They're bringing in more pink stuff dupes, so they got a toilet bowl cleaner and then this multi-surface cleaning cream. Tried this one. I do like the pink stuff better than this one, even though it does work.
At Target, the Pink Stuff Cream Cleaner and Pink Stuff Paste retails for $5.99. There was a $1 off coupon on the paste, making it $4.99. And then the bathroom cleaner at Target costs $6.49. So Dollar Tree's is significantly cheaper than the pink stuff that you would buy name brand.
I never run into these. Like, it's so rare I can find these. I found the hand sanitizers that are dupes to Touchland hand sanitizers that retail for 10 bucks. And then they have the cases. People buy these up like by the box. It's like an urban legend. I'm so excited. So there's the poppy scent and then a rainbow sherbet scent.
Touchland hand sanitizers retail for $10 no matter where you get them from. They do have slightly larger sizes and different kinds for $16, but for the most part, it's going to cost $10.
And as for the hand sanitizer cases, they have like this cream color one and a black one. Literally, I never can find these. It's so hard to find. They have these ones more often, the hand sanitizers that are like in a spray bottle like this, and they got new scents right now. They got green apple, watermelon, and lemon. They got some new body wash scents in, and these are like dupes to Native. So this is the strawberry and cream scent. This is the sweet pineapple melon scent, sugar key lime, and then this one they have before.
Those personal care body washes really are similar to Native body washes, and they retail for around $9.99 at Target. Target does run deals often, but they're never going to cost you $1.25. So I would try Dollar Tree's out first and see if you like it.
They have the cutest Disney makeup in right now. If you have a little girl just getting into makeup, they have Moana, they have Alice in Wonderland, Lady and the Tramp, the Aristocats. This is so cute.
If you're looking for inexpensive makeup to give to your kids and stuff that's not too pigmented, I would go with Dollar Tree first. This retailed for $12.99 at Target. Most of the lip glosses and chapsticks that they have retailed from $4.99 to $9.99. So I feel like Dollar Tree is a really good bet for children's makeup stuff they're just going to use, and it's not going to put too much on their face.
This is a crazy deal for $1.25 Duo Lash Glue. They also have the black one.
At Walmart, the Duo Lash Glue retails for $4.36. So to find it at Dollar Tree is a steal at that price.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. $1.50. You're gonna get these eyeshadow palettes. This is why people still shop at Dollar Tree, because even though the prices are going up, you're still gonna find deals like this. This is crazy. Those are the only two that I see.
If you like makeup and you see these palettes, get them. They are so nice for $1.25. I actually find it crazy that they're selling it for this cheap, because I bought some really crappy palette last year on Amazon because I wanted green eyeshadow because I was turning myself into a witch, and it didn't cost me $1.25, and it wasn't nearly as pigmented. So this is me barely putting my finger inside of the eyeshadows, and look how pigmented they are. And imagine that with an actual eyeshadow base. This is the Ringmaster palette. Now I do like the Fortune Teller palette more, just I like the colors more, but if you can find both, man, you get them, $2.50 right there for 2 eyeshadow palettes with a bunch of eyeshadows. This has more neutral colors than the other one does.
And then they have this palette and contour palette, Heavenly Hues, $1.25, and then like this blush duo, and lots of good finds in the makeup section right now.
Now this palette has a bunch of highlighters, and what I do like is that all of the palettes I got have mirrors, and the mirrors don't stink, because lots of times you buy a cheap palette and they have these mirrors that make you look like you're inside of a circus. So these highlighters, not every single one is pigmented. Some of them are super pigmented, and then some of them are like, you're gonna have to layer it. But still, for $1.25, I think it's worth it, especially just to give it a try and see if you like it.
In the Halloween crafting section, they have some pretty neat things. So they have these decorative zombie hands, which I've never seen before at Dollar Tree. They're pretty big. $1.50, I do think it's worth it. They're bringing out the same ornaments that they always have. These little like pumpkin hanging things. I'm actually gonna get some of these for my Christmas tree. They're little spider clips. What else do they have? They have a bunch of new picks in this year. This is new, this little swirly one. They have these spider picks. There's 4 spiders on each pick. Again, $1.50. I have to emphasize that. These pumpkins are new. They remind me of Beetlejuice. And then they have some that they had last year. They've got new fall craft items in. I really like the beads, a cute little mushroom thing. And then these knit pumpkins are new this year. I like those a lot. And then they have, again, the same old new bows this year that are super cute. I like the mushroom one, the little plaid one. So we're in the plus section. They changed the prices. I talked about this recently. So this is $7, was $5 last year. The pillows are now $6 instead of $5. So it's gonna be hit and miss here. And I'm gonna tell you why. Target's Bullseye Playground has similar things for $5. I don't know if the price is changing there. I do like this little latte pillow. And then I like this, but again, it's $7. This remained $5 unless they forgot to change the price. This is $5, but you can go to the side of the highway and cut it down for free. I'm not joking, near me there's a bunch. They're bringing out their sunflower collection. I really like the chargers in this collection. They have like these bead looking things and they're gold. Alert, this is the time that they start getting in the Halloween pool noodles, and these sell out so fast. So if you want to craft with any pool noodles for Halloween, they're getting them in now, and now's the time to buy them. So like they have black ones and white ones right now, and they're sold out. Right now we just got purple and orange. They all go fast, and they're $1.50 now. This is so depressing. This is $1.75 now, all of these. I'm so sad about it. Is it still worth it? I don't really know. I kind of think so, but at the same time, no, I don't know. It's just all of this, $1. Definitely not the rope, not worth $1.75. Gemstones, I don't know, I'm just so disappointed. I do like the color of this one though. Oh, they have that one. I don't like that one, I like this one. These candles are new. I think they're $1.25. I'm kind of confused right now, but I really like the packaging of them. Like, once the candle burns, you can use this packaging to hold something. This one smells really good. So they got in these like little terrariums or domes, and I thought they were cool at first, but for $7, no, it's not cool. Like, I've bought ones that are much nicer and they're not plastic from like Home Goods. This is $10, you guys. Now, it does look nicer than their normal plant stands. I guess this is technically a stool, but $10 for this, If they were $5, I'd be like, yeah, all about it, but nope, not $10. So Dollar Tree is getting in new balloon items. This is a pump I own. I got it from Amazon for $12. They have it at Dollar Tree now for $17. I can't believe it. I never thought I'd see the day that we're carrying $17, $20 stuff at Dollar Tree. And then they have these balloon kits for $5. It's an okay price, but the issue is the quality of the balloons, depending where you use them. If you use them outside, they're gonna pop easily. SPF for your keychain, it's 30 SPF, but that's pretty nice that you can like put on your keychain or a bag. They're getting Halloween in right now, and you can find these lantern haunted mansions, which are new because they had these other lanterns last year. These are new. These are going to be great for DIYing with, and again, $1.50. This light decor is new too. It's a pumpkin and the boo. It kind of looks like a neon sign. They're getting in the giant eyes again, and let me tell you, I have a really cool DIY coming up with this, so make sure you get these now because you can do multiple things with this that are super cool and inexpensive. These are actually dupes for some products that I think it's Pottery Barn sells, but you get them for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. They have a bat, a ghost, eyeballs. They've got in the same old ornaments again this year, but these are new. They're like green, my brain's so fried, orange skulls. They're bringing in the velvet pumpkins right now. These are always super popular and they sell out every year. They have such pretty colors, blue, green, this pink. They need backup. Yeah, these are nice. So they changed the toys all to $1.75. I would never buy Hot Wheels here anymore, unless I guess you could find the rare ones, but they're cheaper at like the grocery store near me. This one's cool though, Steamboat Willie. It's crazy, all the toys are $1.75 now. Every single one of them. They got more of the antibacterial hand wipes that you can like attach to your backpack or whatever it might be. They got a green one now too. These makeup bags are new. They got a unicorn and this all things coffee and makeup. Super cute. This is pretty cool. They have these like tear off placemats. So you bring them with and it's activities for the kids to do, placemats. I just see the sea one. Ooh, I'm gonna drop that. I see the sea one, fairy tale butterflies, and then like animals. That's super cool.
The Dollar Tree Plus section is starting to get in their Halloween stuff. Now, a lot of it we have seen before in years past, but this time around there are some new items that I actually like a lot. For instance, those little drink containers that look like cauldrons, there's a purple one now. Before they just had green. They are bringing back in the floating candles, which I like a lot. Now, at this Dollar Tree it said $5, but at a different one I went to it said $7, so I don't know what's going on. I really like these potion bottles. They remind me of the Nightmare Before Christmas, the font of them. I ended up buying those because I like those a lot. Now, these pumpkins, they retail for $5. There was tags over that, so I'm assuming maybe last year they retailed for $3. A lot of the stuff, they are changing the prices just by sticking a tag right over it. They have these doormats and they retail for $6, which I still think is a pretty good price. Now, these pumpkin stacks, the pumpkin with the cat on top of it, the tombstone with a skeleton and a crow on top of that, are new this year. They retail for $5. Now, there's a sticker over whatever it was before, so maybe they were $3 once upon a time, but I feel like, I don't know, it just looks like a $5 item in general to me. I actually like those a lot. They're bringing back out their bubbling cauldrons and the mist maker cauldrons. They retail for $6 now. Last year, they were $5. Their little accent pillows are back. Same old, same old. They are $6 now, no longer $5. And then they've got this gigantic tombstone that's $10. The signs are back. I don't know how much these were. My guess is they probably went up in price too. They were $5 last year, so my guess is probably $6 or $7. I can't really focus on that tag. What is that? $7. Yes, $7. I do think these are worth it, and I really like the vintage vibe that they have going on. I've never seen this before, period. It is a collapsible foot bath by Onyx Professionals. I know that Walmart carries this brand. It is a little bathtub you open up for your feet, and you can soak your feet inside of there. I guess instead of getting the big bulky ones you usually get around Christmas time as a gift from somebody. It says it has an insulated interior and is quick drying. This Invisibobble is new. It is a grip hair ring, so it's supposed to just blend into your hair. It retails actually for $6.95. You can find a bunch of them in different colors at Dollar Tree right now. I'm not a big fan of hair ties like this. I feel like they always just yank my hair out. And this is new to Dollar Tree, an adjustable oil pour and stopper. I feel like this is something that probably came from Bed Bath & Beyond.
So that's it for what to buy at Dollar Tree right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.